Hello everybody. Streets are empty, buildings are empty, playgrounds are empty. Shops, malls, all empty. A pandemic has crippled all the countries across the world, but has reset our values. The COVID-19 virus outbreak has sent the world into a state of worry and uncertainty. As the coronavirus spreads, the repercussions like social distancing, travel restrictions, stockpiling of goods at home, and an unprecedented level of anxiety among individuals. And children are the ones who are affected the most. They aren't allowed to step out of their home. They're missing their playgrounds, coachings, friends, and other social activities. Their excitement could be seen when they see their friends in online classes. Now, every house is a school and every parent is a teacher. The playtime and the me time gets merged with school time, and there is no boundary between the bedroom and classroom. It is wonderful to see parents and teachers working closely together to ensure and provide quality learning for our students while they are required to stay at home. And I'm thankful to all the parents and the members at home who are doing their every bit helping our children to learn and live. Students, you all are brave, and so we all will win. Things will certainly change, yes, but with a big difference. Relax, stay calm, keep smiling, keep passing the smile. Hashtag stay home, stay safe.
ये हौसला कैसे झुके, ये आरज़ू कैसे रुके, ये हौसला कैसे झुके, ये आरज़ू कैसे रुके। मंजिल मुश्किल तो क्या, धुंधला साहिल तो क्या, तन्हा ये दिल तो क्या हो। राह पे कांटे बिखरे अगर, उस पे तो फिर भी चलना ही है। शाम छुपा ले सूरज मगर, रात को एक दिन ढलना ही है। रुत ये ढल जाएगी, हिम्मत रंग लाएगी, सुबह फिर आएगी। ये हौसला कैसे झुके, ये आरज़ू कैसे रुके, ये हौसला कैसे झुके, ये आरज़ू कैसे रुके।
Did you like the video? Really? Thank you. In this regard, I would also like to thank Corona for creating such a havoc. It is because of two specific reasons. First, it is because of Corona we learned a lot. And second, our prophecy came true. Am I being harsh? Am I being self-centered? Never. Don't we, the teachers who are regarded to be as a nation builders, time and again tell our children, don't put your hand inside your mouth, wash your hands before you take your food, don't spit here and there. And don't we also tell them that if you follow the instructions, you are going to be blessed, else cursed. But what do they see when they look around them? Elders are rarely following these instructions. In what light do they see us then? But you see, the pandemic didn't touch our children, isn't it? This proves our prophecy. And maybe this is one of the reasons why we are regarded as role models. But becoming role models is a tough job. Everything comes at a price. And the video that you saw just now, it is basically showcasing that only. But we have taken the role and we gladly accept it. So don't feel pity on seeing the video. Don't feel sympathetic on seeing the video. Rather, we want you also to become role models. Role models for this generation and the generation that is yet to come. Yes, it will be quite taxing, I admit, but this is the only way out. This is the only way by which we can safeguard the future of this and the generations that are yet to come. Then I will also not have to thank a deadly disease for bringing a positive change in the society. Stay home, save lives. Thank you.